Welcome to Overview of Git and GitHub. In this video, you will explain what Git and GitHub are, along with some basic terms related to Git and GitHub. You will also grasp the concept of the version control system and how it is related to Git and GitHub. Git and GitHub are popular environments among developers and data scientists, but you can't discuss them without a basic understanding of version control. A version control system lets you track your changes to the source code. This makes it easy for you to recover older versions of your document if you make a mistake. Along with this, it makes collaboration with other team members much easier. Here's an example to illustrate how version controls work. Let's say you have a shopping list and want your roommates to confirm the things you need and add additional items. Without version control, you've got a big mess to clean up before you can go shopping. With version control, you know exactly what you need after everyone has contributed their ideas. Git is free and open-source software distributed under the General Public License, or GNU. Git is a distributed version control system, or DVCS, meaning users anywhere in the world can have a copy of your project on their computer. When they've made changes, they can sync their version to a remote server to share it with you. Git isn't the only version control system out there, but the distributed aspect is one of the main reasons it has become one of the most popular version control systems available. Version control systems are widely used for things involving code, but you can also version control images, documents, and any number of file types. Note that Git also supports branching strategies, such as feature branching, to organize and manage development. You can use Git without a web interface using your command line interface, but GitHub is one of the most popular web-hosted services for Git repositories. Others include GitLab, Bitbucket, and Beanstalk. There are a few basic terms that you will need to know before you get started. The Secure Shell, or SSH protocol, is a method for secure remote login from one computer to another. A repository contains your project folders that are set up for version control. A fork is a copy of a repository. A pull request is how you request that someone review and approve your changes before they become final. A working directory contains the files and subdirectories on your computer that are associated with the Git repository. Commit is a snapshot of the project's current state at a specific point in time, along with a description of the changes made. A branch is a separate line of development that allows you to work on features or fixes independently. Merging combines changes from one branch into another, typically merging a feature branch into the main branch. Cloning creates a local copy of a remote Git repository on your computer. Let's recap. In this video, you learned that Git is a versatile version control system used for tracking changes in code and collaborating with others on software projects. Due to a distributed version control system, Git enables you to revert to the previous state or review the history of the project. Git supports branching strategies, such as feature branching, to organize and manage development. GitHub is one of the most popular web-hosted services for Git repositories. Basic terms associated with Git and GitHub are SSH protocol, repository, fork, pull request, working directory, commit, branch, merge, and clone.